Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to clean a noisy laptop fan. So as you can see here, the fan is not spinning very well and it's also making a loud noise. So what you got to do is remove this plastic component, use a cotton earbud and just give it a good clean. There might be something that is causing it to not spin well. So there's a bit of dirt you can see here. Just give it a good clean. Once you do that side, you might as well do the other side as well. But that's the one that wasn't spinning that well. So just once you remove it from your laptop, just clean the fans. Let's see. I'm going to do it on this side now. So this side, there should be a little bit of dirt as well. Let's have a look here. I'm going to get rid of all the little dirt particles here. And there you go, you can see there's a bit of dirt. Both sides there's a little bit of dirt. And then all you need to do is just put it back, give it a good spin, and hopefully it should work. I hope this helped. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.